How to knit miter square. I'm so excited to introduce you to this square. All the material are listed here. You can stop and take a look at them. Before the first row, we have to cast on. So cast on 40 stitches. Once you cast on 40 stitches, we're going to begin our first row by knit 20 stitches. Keep knitting until you come to the 20 stitch that will mark our center point. This is where we're going to put our stitch marker, slip stitch marker onto the needle like so, and continue to knit to the end of the row. Now we're going to begin the next row, second row, by knit until we come to the 2 stitches before the marker. Once we come to that 2 stitch before the marker, we're going to knit 2 together, and then we're going to slip the stitch onto the right hand needle. And then the next 2 stitch we are going to knit 2 together as well. So these are decreased stitches. It's going to form the angle of the square. Then knit to the end of the row. So we're just going to keep repeat these 2 rows. You're going to start seeing it form the square. So just knit row 1 and row 2 until you come to the last 2 stitches. These are the last decreased row. Once you come to this decreased row, you just turn it around, and we're going to do the last k2 together. So all this lesson you learn just k2 together all the way. Now we're going to finish off by pulling that string about 4 to 6 inches enough so that we can thread the needle. Snip that yarn off and pull the rest out. Gonna use big eye needle and thread the yarn through. I'm gonna weave the end of the yarn right into that piece. I don't have particular way to weave it. I just weave it so that it looks good and it doesn't show up. I like to weave it along the pattern of the stitch. So follow the pattern so it will look kind of neat and nice. When it's done, you can just snip that tail off closely and then do the same at the other end. There you go, you have it. The miter square, your first square. You should give yourself a standing ovation. Bravo!